Okay, the next property on the list is going to be the Forecolor property, and the Forecolor just applies to the text. The text can be in any control, whether it be a frame control, command button, checkbox, option button, and so on. But in this case, I'm going to explain what happens when you actually click the drop down arrow of the Forecolor. You come down to where you have a system option and a palette option. So what I'm going to do is look at the text box control where I have the information test written. And if I go to Forecolor and select it, you'll see that by default it's set to System, Window Text. So all this is doing right here, it's looking at the user's Windows theme, and whatever text that their screen usually shows, the color of the text, the Forecolor, that's the color that's going to show on your user form. So if your user had I'm going to call it a crazy theme, because I see people that have several crazy themes where it's extremely colorful. If their text is set to be green, then on your user form, that's the color they're going to see for their text as well. Now, if you don't want your user form to work that way, to where it inherits the Windows theme properties, then what you can do is use the palette option. In the palette option, let's say you want your text box to always be the color blue, the Forecolor, then just go ahead and use the palette option and select blue. You'll see that now my font is now set to blue, and this can also be done programmatically. Right now we're only using the user form, but if we were to do this programmatically, now I haven't done this in a while, I'm gonna try this out. I hope this works. I'm gonna erase this. I'm gonna put textbox1 dot Forecolor is equal to, and all I did was I copied and pasted the color code from the properties. So I'm gonna come over here and just paste that in. Now I did shorten the code out for the Forecolor, but I'm gonna see if it works. I'm gonna change this back to button text, or the window text, and I'm gonna hit play, hit the command button, and it did change the Forecolor of the text box. Now again, this is going to work for just about any control that has text in it, where you'll be able to change the text color just by modifying that Forecolor property.